Well, inflation went down, stocks went up, labor unions flexed their muscles, and Swiftonomics swept the globe. Jared Hill has looked back at some of the biggest business stories of 2024.
Election day lit a fire under the stock market. The Dow hit a record high after Americans voted to return Donald Trump to the White House. Weeks later, Bitcoin touched $100,000 for the first time. Also lifting the mood on Wall Street, the Federal Reserve cut interest rates after signs inflation had cooled. While some prices trended lower, the Fed struggled to hit its 2% inflation target.
Nothing has gone down. It's all going up.
President-elect Trump tapped Scott Bessent to be Treasury Secretary and threatened steep tariffs on goods from China, Mexico, and Canada.
I think it would be best for everybody if everybody went back to work.
Machinists staged a crippling 8-week strike at Boeing. The walkout capped a series of production troubles, including in January when a door blew out on a Boeing 737 MAX 9 mid-flight. A dock worker strike triggered panic buying. The Longshoremen's Union agreed to suspend the walkout until January while they continue negotiations.
Those greedy companies are making billions of dollars and they don't want to share.
Sam Bankman-Fried apologized for the collapse of his cryptocurrency exchange FTX. He was sentenced to 25 years in prison for fraud, conspiracy, and money laundering. A massive technology outage in July snarled operations at companies around the world, including major airlines. Thousands of flight cancellations stranded passengers for days.
I could just cry right now.
The cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike blamed a faulty computer update. Name brands filed for bankruptcy, including Spirit Airlines, TGI Fridays, and Tupperware, plus Red Lobster after losing millions on its endless shrimp promotion.
Hopefully they'll just reorganize and they'll be back on their feet soon.
There were shakeups in the media. Paramount Global agreed to a merger with Skydance in a deal worth around $8 billion. And Comcast announced a spinoff of its cable companies. CNBC and MSNBC will be part of a separate company with no corporate ties to NBC News.
It is time for fans and artists to stop paying the price.
The Justice Department sued to break up Ticketmaster and its parent company Live Nation, saying the companies created a monopoly, driving up ticket prices. And Taylor Swift wrapped up her record-shattering Eras tour.
I'm so excited that it can make me cry.
With more than 150 shows across 5 continents, the tour generated billions of dollars in consumer spending.
I got a hoodie, I got a quarter zip, I got a bracelet.
Bringing Swiftonomics around the world. Jared Hill, CBS News, New York.